begin by thanking you and the great people of Kenya for hosting us and providing us with outstanding hospitality and reception. It's indeed a pleasure for me to be here today, Mr. President. Today is a new day. We discussed how our two brothering countries can work together to grow and prosper together. Kenya is one of the Somali's strongest allies and partners in East Africa, from hosting the largest number of Somali refugees for decades and contributing the peace building and stability in Somalia through AMISOM. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Kenyan government and the Kenyan people to the sacrifices they have made to help Somalia. Cooperation between our two great nations is necessary to combat the challenges we face, including terrorism and poverty. This state visit is a continuation of close cooperation between our two countries in security, investment, and trade. Close economic cooperation between Somalia and Kenya will not only help to improve the lives of our millions of people, but also it will also enhance the security situation in East Africa. Therefore, my government is ready to work very closely with your government in the realization of full economic cooperation between our two nations. Mr. President, when it comes to trade, I believe that the answer is not only to remove barriers to trade, but it also to do trade right, making sure that it has strong labor standards, strong environmental standards that address ways in which the rights of the ordinary people of both countries are protected. Your Excellency, our cooperation is indeed critical to our historic relationship and our continuous effort to fight against the insecurity and poverty. I wanted to thank you for making the flights from Mogadishu to Nairobi, starting in 2 weeks. We will welcome that, and we really appreciate, and that shows that we have a new beginning of both countries to enhance the development of trade and economic growth. And I thank you for your hospitality.